Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking at that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. As you all know, right from 29th of this month, we were expecting crude oil to stay in downtrend, having this 6166 as one of the major resistance zone. And also, in order to guide us, we took the support of Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Right from the price opening, here you can see whenever I place a cursor, you can see the date and time below. Right after the price opening, the market was taking some support around 6120, and you can notice that there was a bit of long consolidation, and after a very long consolidation, our charting tool was indicating there is some momentum for buying because the price was taking a support around 6120. So you can notice there was a bit of bounce back, and the price was trying to convert the 6166 as one of the support zone, but you can see there was a constant failure, and a failure to break this 6166 put our charting tool into a firm decision for selling. So from there you can notice the price came down to test the 6120 again. There was a consolidation because it is a major zone. After breaking that, there was a straight fall and the price closed there around 6100. The next day the price opened below that 6100. It is going to be a free fall, so that happened. The next stop was 6060. That was our target expected zone. So the price came down, it took a lot of support, and it was quite comfortable even in breaking this 6060. Then there was again a fall towards the psychological zone of 6000, where the price found a support and closed around 6016. Yesterday the market opened below that, which clearly states the price had broken the psychological zone of 6000 the next and arrived and reached the next zone of 5960. From that there was a bounce back, then a bit of consolidation happened, finally closed around 5999. So this was the price action what we had seen in the crude oil market in the last 3 days. Everything went as per our plan, and you know that we had predicted the fall in crude oil before the price fell. So everything went up to our plan, and our charting tool as usual did a remarkable job in keeping us in the right direction even in any toughest conditions. So now what we can do today, how we can position ourselves. So today the expected price opening can be somewhere near the same zone where the price closed yesterday, based on NYMEX price direction. We could see there is not much things happened in crude oil market in the overnight trading session, and today also we are expecting crude to stay in downtrend, but a word of caution, you know that crude had fallen a lot, so there can be some profit taking, some profit booking will be there. So that can put crude oil into a retracement mode. So you should be careful and need not fear about that, because you have a Goodwill Commodities charting tool that can take care of the rest. So in order to have a good view, so this is going to be the key area 6060 we are going to put a focus on, because 6000 is a psychological zone. Whomever is going to try to hit on the psychological zone for selling will have their stops in and around and or above 6060. So this is going to be a great area where we are going to put our focus for this complete and coming days for this contract. So 6060 is our focus area, and we should be focusing on whether the crude can stay or sustain above the 6000 zone, the psychological zone. And we are expecting crude oil will stay in downtrend, having the 6060 as one of the major resistance zone, which means that if the price is moving above 6020, our charting tool by default will give you a buy signal stating that there is some momentum for buying, because it had taken this zone earlier. You can notice that our charting tool already had picked this zone earlier, but if you get a trade signal, we know that the trend is down, so try to be careful, and if you get minimum profit, book it and exit from the position. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.